Hello and welcome to a video. Today we're going to be looking at SAP Ariba product sourcing and how to modify product sourcing field labels. Your organization might want to modify the product sourcing field labels to use terminology that's consistent with your ERP. This helps to improve the user experience by using consistent terminology across applications. Members of the Materials Administrator group are able to make these changes. Please consider the following considerations and limitations when making these changes. Do not use trademark brand names in SAP Ariba Strategic Sourcing Suite field labels. Instead, use generic terms. Changing these field label mappings only changes the labels shown in a BOM or materials list. The labels are not changed in tile titles or menu labels. To make these changes, we're going to be editing a CSV file. The file has 5 fields. Making the changes requires editing the locale-specific name. Please do not edit the other fields in this file. Let's take a look at how this is done. Within SAP Ariba, let's take a look at product sourcing. Here we can see that fields like BOM name, BOM description, have the second word starting in a lowercase letter, while other fields like total cost, percent complete, both words use uppercase letters. Let's make a change to make the word name and description use uppercase letters. We'll do that by going to Administration, look for the Product Sourcing Manager section, and select Field Label Manager. We need to export the existing file, so we'll select the locale of the file we want to change. In this case, we'll select EN for English. We'll export the file. Edit the file by finding those fields, making the changes that we're interested in making, and saving the file. Once the file has been saved, we then, while we still have the locale selected, choose the new file. In this case, I've got a new version of the file. Open that, import it, and get the confirmation that the import has been successful. We'll click Done. Let's go back into product sourcing. Here we can see that these field labels now have uppercase letters for name and description. We could have made additional changes to change these fields to align with our ERP names, but hopefully they find this helpful on how to make these types of changes. Please take advantage of other do-it-yourself videos from the Solution Optimization team at SAP Ariba. Thank you and have a great day.